Hey everyone, it's your favorite inside sales guy, Scott Vaughn. I'm sitting here with our favorite outside sales guy, John Mishler. We're going to talk a little bit about Tylok today. John, tell us what's the difference between Tylok fitting and valves and our competitors.
Well, the thing that sets Tylok apart is we go back to the beginning of the tube fitting industry. Been in business for 70 years, unlike a lot of our competitors. And the founder of our company, 𝗂𝗶𝗱𝗲, is actually the inventor of the first compression tube fitting. Way back in the late 1940s, he developed the first compression tube fitting, got a patent on that product, and a few years later started Tylok International in 1955. So for 70 years now, we've been manufacturing compression tube fittings and valves and other instrumentation products with a focus with the legacy of Mr. Crawford with innovation, engineering, and quality.
Yeah, and quality is a big thing, I think, John. Our quality here at Tylok is so head and shoulders above some of these competitors that are out in the market right now.
Yeah, we have always had a focus on quality. That's been lost with some of our competitors who are coming in trying to compete, just coming in with a bottom line cost, trying to show cost savings. Tylok is the most competitive domestic brand on the market. So you're getting, it's kind of a win-win. You're getting a high quality product. We're not the cheapest fitting on the market, but you're getting it at a fair price while still getting top tier quality.
I think that's important to our customers. I mean, cost is important when it comes down to it, but if you're getting a quality part at a reasonable price, you can't go wrong with that.
Absolutely. You want to save money, but quality is paramount. So we are able to produce a high quality fitting at a very fair price and deliver on time, which is what our customers are looking for.
Absolutely. And speaking of 𝗂𝗶𝗱𝗲, he started the company all those years ago, but his family still is in charge of the company and leads the way here at Tylok, right?
Yeah, Tylok, pretty unique. It's a third generation family owned company. And the nice thing about that is we haven't lost the focus on the customer. We pride ourselves on customer service, whether it be getting back to our customers in a timely fashion, meeting our on-time deliveries, or getting out in the field and collaborating with our distribution partners. We're highly focused on the customer, and that's not something that you find with a lot of our competition.
No, it's really not. We, in inside sales, we try to build relationships with all of our customers and get to know these people, what they need. And it all starts with the outside sales guys who are out there meeting everybody out in the fields, out in the companies out there. And I think it makes Tylok a lot different than a lot of these companies that are just faceless and nameless.
Yeah, we get out, we work with our distribution partners, we work with the end user. We'll do hands-on technical trainings at the end user level. We'll go make joint sales calls. So we're very involved in the field. And we don't charge for a lot of these value-added services as well. You know, a hands-on technical training for a maintenance crew is a very valuable tool for them to have. You get a lot of these younger guys coming in and they might not know proper techniques for installation. So for us to go in and train them free of charge is a nice value for our customers. And again, you don't see that a lot with a lot of our competition.
Yeah. And we always seem to bring out new stuff for our customers too, new lines, new items. What are some of the newest things we brought out, John?
We now manufacture fittings over 1 inch. So we're 1.25 inch, 1.5 inch fittings. We're now doing push-on connections, so some lower pressure connections that are good for softer tubing and plastic hose. And
we've expanded the metric line too, I've noticed.
Yes, yeah, full offering of the metric compression fittings as well. So always expanding the offering, always have a few things that the engineering team are developing and prototyping. And the more we hear about products that we're not offering currently, the more we're going to add to the mix.
Which is great, and that's what we want. We want people to let us know what they're looking for so we can help them out. We're always available. You can check us out online at www.tylok.com. You get a hold of John directly, get a hold of me directly. If you have any questions, just let us know. We're here for you.
Thanks, Scott.
Thanks, John.